Engineers have been trying to reinvent the computer mouse for years, coming up with everything from pen-style designs to wearable ring mice. Now, a UK startup called NextAxis Design is stepping into the spotlight with something even more unusual: an egg-shaped mouse called Ovo that's currently getting attention on Kickstarter. At first glance, Ovo looks more like a futuristic gadget than a traditional mouse. It weighs just 98 grams and is small enough to fit comfortably in the palm of your hand. The company says the rounded shape is designed to encourage a more natural hand position and reduce wrist strain, especially during long work sessions. It can be used on a desk like a regular mouse or even in the air, which makes it feel very different from anything most people are used to. Of course, that unique design also means there's probably going to be a learning curve before users feel fully comfortable with it. What really makes Ovo stand out is the way it controls your cursor. Instead of sliding across a mouse pad, the device tracks the movement and orientation of your hand in 3D space. You move the cursor by tilting and rotating the Ovo itself, rather than dragging it around your desk. It still supports standard features like clicking and scrolling, but the whole experience is meant to feel more fluid and natural. The setup is also pretty simple. There are no drivers to install, and it works wirelessly with major operating systems, including Windows, macOS, Linux, Android, and iOS. It can connect through Bluetooth or Wi-Fi, and even supports multiple devices, so switching between gadgets should be easy. The company also says it can work with smart home systems, adding another layer of functionality beyond regular computer use. Customization is another big part of the experience. Users can tweak sensitivity settings, create custom gestures, assign macros, and save different profiles for different types of work. The device has a two-part shell design, and each section can perform different actions. The top part handles cursor movement and tapping, while the bottom section can be used for swiping and scrolling gestures. According to the creators, Ovo is especially useful for creative work like presentations, 3D navigation, and design software. Video editors, for example, might appreciate being able to smoothly rotate through a timeline instead of constantly dragging a mouse back and forth. That said, the company admits it may not completely replace a standard mouse for everyone. For highly precise tasks, many users will probably still prefer a traditional setup. Battery life looks solid too. Ovo comes with a rechargeable battery that can last up to 80 hours on a single charge. It supports both wireless charging and USB-C charging, and the device is available in black, white, and orange with a glossy finish. Right now, early backers on Kickstarter can grab the Ovo for $109, while the planned retail price is expected to be around $199. The package includes the mouse itself, a USB-C cable, and a charging pad. If everything goes according to plan, shipping is expected to start in December.